Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating your Klook affiliate account and selecting a focused niche so your promotions convert. Once done, verify tax and payout settings and copy your affiliate ID. This is how Klook attributes sales to you. Make sure to install a link builder or tracking pixel on your site or use UTM parameters for campaigns. This first step sets accurate tracking and payout paths, which is why you prioritize correct ID and a narrow niche before launching offers. Now you build content that converts, destination guides, listicles, and itinerary pages that naturally include Klook products. Once done, embed deep links with your affiliate ID and use Klook's dynamic URL builder for specific activities because deep links improve CTR and conversion. Make sure to drive traffic via SEO, targeted email sequences, and a single paid campaign to test results. Monitor click-to-book rates and tweak headlines, images, and CTA placement to lift conversion. Finish by optimizing and scaling what works. Review CTR, conversion rate, and earnings per click to prioritize channels. Once you identify winners, increase budget and replicate top pages across destinations. Make sure to /B test link positions, CTA text, and timing to squeeze extra conversions. If things go wrong, immediately verify your affiliate ID and links, clear site caches, and confirm UTM/URL parameters are intact so Klook can track sales correctly. This simple check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.